Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Mielle and I talk about all things curly, beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle. So for today's video, I figured I would do different renditions to this, but today's video is gonna be the best gifts to get a curly under $50. The theme for today's video would be gift sets because guys, I absolutely love a good gift set. You just can't go wrong with a gift set. But before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video. And I'm also gonna attach my social handles so you guys could follow me on there as well. I post a ton of curly content, so go check me out. But without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, so now that the holidays are right around the corner, and I know this is a very stressful time for a lot of people, and we don't really want to be spending that much money. So I figured I would put together a few gift options for your favorite curlies and the best things you can get for them. So I'm gonna do different renditions of this video. Today's video is gonna be all about gift sets. I am such a fan of gift sets because they're just the best bang for your buck. Typically, brands like to put 2 full-size products for the price of 1, or 2, 3, 4 full-size products for half off. So I just absolutely love a good gift set. I was literally digging the internet, and I was finding the absolute best deals I can get you guys. So let's get started. A lot of these gift sets can be found at Target. Target seems to be very gift set heavy, especially during the holidays. So the first gift set I'm gonna mention is the Mielle Rosemary and Mint Oil and Moisture RX Deep Conditioner gift set. So this is, guys, so it's coming with a Moisture RX Deep Conditioner full size and a Rosemary and Mint Oil full size for $9.99. The oil alone is $9.99. You're getting a whole deep conditioner as well. So that's a good one. That is a good, I might snag that one myself because I really do love that overnight deep conditioner. It's bomb. I feel like Mielle typically does a bomb gift set every year. And anytime the Rosemary and Mint collection is added to this mix, I run for it. So the next gift set I'm gonna mention is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Styling Bundle. This is a $50 bundle, but it comes with 5 full-size products. 5 full-size products. This is a full wash and go routine for your favorite curly. So this set comes with the Reparative Leave-In Conditioner, the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly, the Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream, the Blueberry Bliss Control Paste, and the Blueberry Bliss Growth Oil. I love me some growth oil. That's probably one of my favorite oils to use for my scalp, especially for my scalp massages. I know this is more on the pricier side, but you are getting 5 full-size products. So if you know of a curly that is in love with this brand, that is the best gift you can give them because it has some of their best products. So check that one out. I have all these gift sets laid out on a sheet, so I'm gonna go through them on my laptop. So the next one is the Cantu Winter Style and Hold gift set. This one comes with 3 full-size products. It comes with the Coconut Curling Cream, the Moisture Retention Styling Gel, and a brush. All 3 pieces for the price of $14.99. So you get 2 full-size products and a brush for $14.99. They're bomb. I've actually used the Cantu gel and I absolutely love it. I have a video of it on my Instagram page, so go check it out. If you guys want me to review it, I could do that for you guys too, so check that one out. And the next one is for my Carol's Daughter fans. I know there's a lot of you out there. I personally haven't tried enough products from Carol's Daughter. I want to try more. This is the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength collection. It comes with the shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, and hair oil for $41.36. So that is 4 full-size products for $41. I know that's, again, it's more on the pricier side, but if you know of someone who is obsessed with Carol's Daughter, $41, it's under $50, it's a great gift option. You don't have to get too crazy and get a whole gift set. I know this is more on the higher end side. I'm giving you a ton of options here. But if you know of someone who's obsessed with this brand, this is a great deal. For reference, typically their products run from about $12 to $16 each. So the fact that you're getting them all for $41, it's not too bad. Now that I'm looking on their site, it seems like they have a few bundles. The Hair Milk Perfect Curls collection, it comes with the Hair Milk Cleansing Conditioner, the Hair Milk Original Leave-In Moisturizer, the Hair Milk Styling Pudding, and the Hair Milk Refreshing Spray. So if you have tried these products and you love them, they're $40 for 4 products. So the next bundle is from Target again. This is the SheaMoisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Defining Shampoo, Conditioner, and Smoothie bundle. So it comes with 3 products. The shampoo and the conditioner are full size, but the curling smoothie is 6 ounces instead of I think it's 16 for the tub. It's the squeezy one, so I honestly think that's a good deal because the curl enhancing smoothie on its own, don't quote me, I believe it's $11.99. So the fact that you're getting the shampoo and the conditioner and a smoothie for $14.99, I think that's a bomb deal. If this is a collection you've been thinking about or if you wanted to try, highly recommend it. I have used all of these products and absolutely love them. Anyone who knows curl enhancing smoothie, that whole collection, the coconut and hibiscus collection, is such an oldie. You smell it and it reminds me of like stress. It reminds me of like stress and not knowing how to properly apply products in my hair and feeling cool because you're like, I'm just here buying my curly products even though I'm gonna straighten my hair tomorrow. But again, that 3-piece bundle is $14.99, so that's a good one. And don't think I neglected my men because I found a Cantu bundle for men that is a bomb deal as well. So this is the Cantu men's gift set. It is $14.99. It comes with a Cantu men's 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Imagine if we had 3-in-1s, like what? It comes with a leave-in conditioner, a cream pomade, and a beard oil. If you know of a man that really cares about his hygiene and cares about his hair health and his beard health, this is a great option because it is $14.99. I personally haven't tried it, but Cantu is pretty bomb. So if anything, I feel like Cantu would do everything in its power to make sure that these products are good because they want to get products that are one and done for men. Because you know, a lot of men don't like to put too much work into their routine. They'd rather have something that's just, here, I'll just use this and it works, you know? So yeah, that is 4 products for $14.99, so check out Target. And another Target bundle is the SheaMoisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Hair Gift Set. So this collection I've always said is perfect for those of you with high porosity hair. Believe it or not, my hair actually does love this collection as well. I remember when this collection dropped and I literally went to every single Ulta to try to find it. Their deep conditioner is bomb, but it is very protein based, so if you are protein sensitive, I do not recommend this collection for you. It seems like the shampoo and conditioner are the only 2 full-size products, and the protein treatment is 2 ounces. So if I'm thinking 2 ounces, I'm thinking it's probably one of the rippable ones that you could test it once, so I think it's still a good deal because overall, I feel like SheaMoisture typically makes their shampoos and conditioners $9.99 each. So the fact that you are getting 2 for under $20, and then you're also getting the deep conditioner, I feel like that's a good deal. I do feel like gift sets are awesome gifts for those who are just embarking on their natural hair journey because it gives them options to try different products before actually investing in a whole line. 90% of the time, whenever gift sets do drop, they are super duper affordable and they tend to have like a 2-for-1, like I said, or a 3-for-2, you know, like it just splits the cost in half. And that way you can try more products and not feel too bad about spending the money. And the next bundle I'm gonna talk about, absolutely obsessed with this line, the CurlSmith Style and Sleigh collection. It comes with 3 stylers and it is $25. They're all 2-ounce stylers. These stylers are pretty pricey for the most part, but you do get what you pay for. These products are absolutely amazing, super clean, bomb products. So I feel this little kit is perfect for those of you who have thought about investing in this brand. It gives you the option to try all 3 stylers and they're all 3 different types of hold. So you can give them a shot, see how you feel. I actually recently did a video on the products that I used using this kit. Highly recommend it for those people who, like I said, have been thinking about trying this brand and don't necessarily want to spend the full amount of money on it because they don't know exactly what to buy. All of that. That's why I try my best to review as much as I can, just to make that process a lot easier for you guys. I know that no matter what, I could try something and it works great for me. You can feel like you have similar hair, try it and it doesn't look the same. But I do feel like it makes it a lot easier when you see it on someone who maybe you resonate with my hair and you're like, okay, that kind of looks like it would work on me. It's a lot easier to just buy a product that way versus just buying a product blindly. So yeah, like I said, this kit comes with the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, the Curl Defining Styling Souffle, which I have yet to use. I have it and I haven't tried it yet. And the In Shower Style Fixer. I ended up using the Hold Me Softly Style Balm with the In Shower Style Fixer, and that duo, let me tell you, I think I actually have a whole YouTube video on that, so go check it out. But bomb. That collection you can actually find at Ulta Beauty, so check them out. The next and final kit can also be found at Ulta Beauty. It is the Not Your Mother's Naturals Curl Talk To Go Mini Styling Kit. I have used the Curl Talk shampoo and it works for me. but I don't necessarily think that these stylers are my type of stylers. I don't think that they have enough holds. I haven't tried it yet, so let me not knock it until I try it. But I have heard nothing but phenomenal things about this brand. It actually comes with the Curl Talk Frizz Control Sculpting Gel, comes with the Curl Talk Curl Activating Mousse, and the Curl Talk Defining Cream. They're all 2-ounce bottles, but they're $10 for 3 2-ounce bottles. So Not Your Mother's Natural products are typically very affordable as is, but if you can actually just try them before you buy them, this is the perfect option because $10 and you get 3 products to try. I mean, maybe I'll actually pick that up and see how that works in my hair. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I should try this collection and see how it works? Because I think that's the best way. I don't like to buy full-size products unless I know it's gonna work or have some type of slight thought that it might work. So maybe that's the perfect collection for me. I'm here like telling you guys you should buy it, but maybe I'll try it. It's also the perfect stocking stuffer because they're tiny sized bottles. And if you know of someone who loves this brand and loves these products, $10, and it's the perfect travel kit because they're all travel friendly. So I don't know, I think it's a great deal. So again, Ulta Beauty, $10, check them out. So those are 10 options that you guys can purchase from for your favorite curly girl, your favorite curly guy, your favorite curly person. Go ahead and check out these kits if you're interested. They're all under $50. I can definitely go and look for higher end. If you guys want a high end version, I definitely am more than happy to do that. But I did want to keep these all under $50 because we are in the middle of a global pandemic and there is absolutely no need for us to ball out and spend all this money. But if you guys do want to ball out and spend some money, I can definitely do a video for you guys. So let me know down below if you guys want me to make a high-end version of this as well. I'm thinking about doing different shampoos, conditioners, deep conditioners. I'm gonna try to make different videos on that as well, just to make it a lot easier for you guys based on what I love, and maybe you can get that for the curly that you love. But yeah guys, I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.